All right, guys, we're out here in Wood Manors getting ready to do another inspection on another property that we're getting ready to pick up. But, or hopefully, if this inspection goes well. But let's just watch my boy Matt. And we have liftoff. Love these drones with the pictures. Yeah, good timing. All right, well, I'll see you on the inside. All right, we're on the inside. So as you come in, little dining area here, living area. Here's the kitchen. Laundry rooms where Paula just walked into. Say hi, Paula. Then we have, it's heavy right, so everything's on the left side. First bathroom is here. Bedroom with the, oh, I like the closet doors. Oh, but they're off track. I'll let this guy fix that. Then we have the Jack and Jill bathroom here. But they're both going the same entrance, so. Oh, it's got the same doors here, except they gotta fix them because they're off track. Let's go to the best part of the property. All right, so this is the reason why this property is being purchased, for this. Because this is what we're going to take advantage of, because this will be another short-term rental. Ooh, little foosball table, fans. Love the outdoor space.